Incorporating olive oil into a vegetable-rich diet is linked to a healthy lifestyle that promotes longevity and can contribute to a more youthful facial appearance. The beneficial effects come from its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which help protect the skin and body from aging and disease. How olive oil consumption and a healthy lifestyle affect aging. Olive oil's anti-aging effects are not simply cosmetic, but are part of a broader health impact linked to the Mediterranean diet. Combats oxidative stress. Olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, EVOO, contains powerful antioxidants like polyphenols and oleocanthal. Oxidative stress from free radicals is a key driver of the aging process, leading to cell damage, wrinkles, and other skin problems. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a hallmark of aging and is linked to numerous age-related diseases. The anti-inflammatory compounds in olive oil work similarly to ibuprofen to reduce the systemic inflammation. Supports healthy skin. In studies, consuming olive oil has been shown to reduce the signs of skin photoaging, damage from sun exposure. This is likely due to the oil's potent antioxidants, which boost the skin's defenses against UV rays. Promotes overall health. A lifestyle that prioritizes olive oil and vegetables is associated with a lower risk of age-related health issues, which in turn influences overall well-being and appearance. Lower risk of heart disease, improved brain health, and reduced risk of dementia. Better management of cholesterol levels. The typical lifestyle of an olive oil consumer who primarily use olive oil as part of a Mediterranean-style diet tend to have a comprehensive approach to health that supports a more youthful appearance. Dietary choices. They consume a diet rich in vegetables, fruits, nuts, fish, and whole grains, using olive oil as the main fat source for cooking and dressings. This contrasts with a Western diet high in animal fats and simple carbohydrates, which is correlated with faster skin aging. Physical activity. Studies show that older men who exclusively use olive oil are more likely to be physically active. Regular exercise boosts circulation, which helps nourish skin cells and contributes to a healthier, more vibrant look. Lifestyle habits. High olive oil consumption is more common in individuals who are non-smokers. Avoiding smoking is one of the most critical factors for maintaining youthful skin, as it prevents damage to collagen and elastin. Facial care. While most benefits come from dietary intake, olive oil can also be applied directly to the face. It provides deep moisture, and its antioxidants may help repair damaged skin and minimize wrinkles. Results observed on the face and body. The results of this lifestyle become visible both in terms of health markers and external appearance. More youthful skin. The combination of a diet rich in antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds leads to smoother, more elastic, and firmer skin. Reduced facial wrinkles. The antioxidants protect the skin's collagen from degradation, which helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Healthier complexion. Regular consumption and topical application can moisturize the skin, help even out tone, and promote a radiant glow. Better aging outcomes. An extensive study on aging found that men over 70 who exclusively consumed olive oil had significantly better scores on a successful aging index compared to those who did not, indicating healthier and more robust aging process. Consuming cheap, reused, or rancid cooking oil can seriously harm your health due to the formation of toxic compounds. These bad oils lose their nutrients and can lead to a range of chronic diseases and health problems over time, from digestive issues to cardiovascular disease. You can use olive oil with almost any food, such as drizzling it on salads and vegetables, using it for cooking and frying, or dipping bread in it. For the best flavor and health benefits, choose extra virgin olive oil and incorporate it into dishes like pasta, grains, or even baked goods. You can also take a spoonful on its own for a shot of healthy fats and antioxidants, according to Cured. Ways to incorporate olive oil into your diet: drizzle it on salads and roasted vegetables over grains or pasta. Use it in cooking for sauteing, roasting, or frying. It's stable at high temperatures. In Indian dishes like curries or for making tadkas, enjoy it with bread as a dip for bread. Use it in other foods as a base for salad dressings. In baked goods like cookies on fish, cheese, or even in your lat. Consume it directly. Take a tablespoon on its own. Groundnut oil offers health benefits such as supporting heart health by reducing bad cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol, due to its high content of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. It also contains antioxidants like vitamin E and resveratrol, which protect against cell damage, support immune function, and can help manage blood sugar levels. Additionally, its properties may benefit skin and hair health. To have a healthy face as you age, focus on sun protection, a healthy lifestyle, and a consistent skincare routine. Key actions include using sunscreen daily, avoiding tanning, moisturizing, staying hydrated, managing stress, and using products with active ingredients like retinoids or vitamin C. Yes, using olive oil is generally good for eating, as it is rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, antioxidants, and vitamins, and has numerous health benefits, including supporting heart health and reducing inflammation. However, the best type to use depends on how you are cooking, as extra virgin olive oil is ideal for low-heat cooking, salads, and as a finishing drizzle, while other types are better for higher heat cooking to preserve its nutritional value. Soybean oil is not inherently fake or cheap, but its potential health risks depend on factors like a lack of balance with omega-3s and potential contamination from processing or adulteration. It is high in omega-3 fatty acids, and an imbalance with omega-3s can be associated with health problems, but it may also reduce the risk of heart disease when consumed in moderation. Some studies have shown that excessive soybean oil can lead to obesity, diabetes, and liver injury, while others suggest it can be heart healthy if consumed wisely. Types of olive oil and how to use them. Extra virgin olive oil, EVO. This is the least processed, cold-pressed oil that contains the most polyphenols and antioxidants. It is best used raw or for low-heat cooking, like drizzling over salads, vegetables, or pasta. It has a lower smoke point, meaning its nutritional benefits can be lost when heated to high temperatures. Refined or light olive oil. These types are more processed and have a higher smoke point, making them more suitable for higher heat cooking methods.